Grammar Express for beginners. Number 13. Possessive adjectives, part 4. Number 1. Do you know where keys are? I can't find them. So, do you know where my keys are? I cannot find them. Number 2. I've lost watch and I don't know where I've lost it. So, I'm talking about my watch. So, I've lost my watch and I don't know where I've lost it. Number 3, can you tell your sister that I found? So your sister, is she? Her ring. Can you tell your sister that I found her ring? Number 4, Kevin can't find pencil case. Have you seen it? Kevin can't find. Kevin is he, so his pencil case. Kevin can't find his pencil case. Have you seen it? And number 5, I can't understand argument. Caroline. So I'm talking to Caroline. Can you explain it? So it's going to be your argument. I can't understand your argument, Caroline. Can you explain it? Let's read the sentences one more time. Do you know where my keys are? I can't find them. I've lost my watch and I don't know where I've lost it. Can you tell your sister that I found her ring? Kevin can't find his pencil case. Have you seen it? I can't understand your argument, Caroline. Can you explain it? Number 6. Where did Bill put bike? So Bill is he, is going to be his bike. Where did Bill put his bike? I didn't see it when I came home. And number 7. This is brother George. He's older than me. So George is my brother. This is my brother George. He's older than me. And number 8, we have two dogs. Names are Lopus and Sandy. So two dogs are they. So it's going to be there. We have two dogs. Their names are Lopus and Sandy. Number 9, we have met before, but I can't remember name. So you and I have met before. You and I have met before, but I can't remember your name. And number 10, we like Mrs. Decker, and subjects are geography and English. So Mrs. Decker is our teacher, and Mrs. Decker is she. So her subjects are geography and English. Let's read the sentences one more time. Where did Bill put his bike? I didn't see it when I came home. This is my brother George. He's older than me. We have two dogs. Their names are Lopus and Sandy. We have met before, but I can't remember your name. We like Mrs. Decker. Her subjects are geography and English. Number 11, Larry and Ken. Can I have exercise books? So I'm talking to Larry and Ken. So there's the second person. So it's going to be your. Larry and Ken, can I have your exercise books, please? That friend Susan. Her favorite sport is swimming. So that's my friend Susan, and Susan's favorite sport. Her favorite sport is swimming. We live on Arlington Road. So it's going to be our. Our house is next to the school. Number 14, look at brother's hat. I think its color is ugly. So I'm talking about my brother's hat. So look at my brother's hat. I think its color is ugly. Number 15, he didn't like Patricia's essay about holidays very much. So Patricia is a girl, so her holidays. He didn't like Patricia's essay about her holidays very much. Let's read the sentences one more time. Larry and Kane, can I have your exercise books, please? That's my friend Susan. Her favorite sport is swimming. We live on Arlington Road. Our house is next to the school. Look at my brother's hat. I think its color is ugly. He didn't like Patricia's essay about her holidays very much. And number 16, Peter, is this dog which is always chasing cat? So I'm talking to Peter. So it's going to be your dog which is always chasing my cat. Peter, is this your dog? I'm sorry, your dog which is always chasing my cat? What a beautiful parrot. What's its name? The parrot's name. What's its name? Mom usually helps my brother with my brother. Brothers, plural, so it's going to be their. Mom usually helps my brothers with their homework. Number 19, teacher is very nice. She often tells us funny stories. So it's going to be our teacher. Our teacher is very nice. She often tells us funny stories. And number 20, I don't know Tom well, but I often talk to Tom's sister. So it's going to be his sister. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. Peter, is this your dog which is always chasing my cat? What a beautiful parrot. What's its name? Mom usually helps my brothers with their homework. Our teacher is very nice. She often tells us funny stories. I don't know Tom well, but I often talk to his sister.